Whoa, what's up guys? We're back with another one. Guess who's with us today? Say hello.
Hello.
Sovini Joy is going to come out fishing. She's going to catch her big fish, her first ever time fishing by herself, because she's been on the boat before when she was 1 year old, and now she is turning three in 1 month. Yeah, it's gonna be so cool. Nini, come here. Nini, come here.
Excited?
What are you gonna catch today? A big fish. Show me what size. Whoa, how big? How much? How much? How much fish?
How many fish?
How many fishes?
Big fishy.
All right, guys, we'll go down. Alright, we're on the water now. We're just gonna head up and fish. We're just gonna head up and fish around here, but for the time being, Nini is loving it. Here, talk to these guys.
Hi, Daddy.
Do you love it? Keep your hands inside the boat, please.
So can you sit down or you want to come sit down?
What do you reckon?
Stressing me out, bro. Come sit down.
Alright, you got it. You gotta look forward too. You're driving that way, you gotta watch forward. She's watching everywhere but forward. Oh yeah. Can I have this? Oh yeah.
Hello.
Yes, first fish, guys. First fish of the day. Grace is on. We just dropped it here and she just go hi, yeah.
Fishy.
Let's see what she. Oh, it's running. It's either running or you have a loose drag. Let's see what it is. It's a little one. It's alright. Oh, it's a good yellow rim. It's not little. Oh, it's a grunt back there.
Look, Nini.
First fish. Yay, go Yaya. Good work. No, you can. Oh my gosh, Sovini, you're on a fish. It's biting your line. Nini, you're on. Ooh, hold on. See, let's wind it. Oh, Nini, you're on. Nini, you're on. Alright, Nini's first ever fish here. Go on, Baba. Hold it up here. Hold it up here. Hold it up here. Right, go. Go. Wind it.
Go, Nini.
Wind it, Baba. Wind it. Go. Oh, my line is old. Now I got a fish. Oh, did I get a quarter of that one?
Yes. Yes, it's one. Go, Nini. Keep going, Nini. Go, Nini. Go, Nini. You got a fish. Keep going. Reel it in, Nini. Nini, keep going.
No, Nini, pull your fish in. Oh my gosh, it's actually
Go.
Oh, fishy tail.
Go, Nini.
Nini, pull yours in.
Daddy.
Nini, pull yours in, please. Whoa, what is it?
Go, Nini. Keep going, Nini.
Pull it, look, it's in the water. Go, Baba. Go, Nini.
Yeah.
Okay, you hold the line like that. Show your camera your fish.
You hold your line. Hold it here.
Look,
Hold it.
look like Yaya. Look, ready? Like Yaya. Ready? Look Yaya. I'll take it out. You just hold your line. Hold. Thumbs up. Look. Yes. It's getting good hits here. It's a beautiful day. Oh, yep. Little fellas on the big ones. Only little fellas. Nini, watch out. Nini, look, fish. Another one. Alright, guys. Bro, it's fun, eh? Just coming out here. Scenes are beautiful. Fishes are on, and we'll just wait for the right size ones, and we can take them home.
Bye.
I Nini say bye to. Oh, Nini, you got a fish. Oh, is that you touching your own line? Oh, that's her. You're alright. Go, Nini. Hold the rod. Alright. Go, Nini. Alright, go. Ooh. Go, Nini. It's a good fish. Go, Baba. Very good. Oh, she's strong. That fish is on the line. Okay, you reel it, reel it. The fishy, I can see it. Quickly, quickly reel it in. Whoa. Go, Baba. Whoa. Oh. Nini, look, the fish is almost here. Go, Nini. Alright, go like this. Just like, I'll make it close. Damn, bro. Oh, Nini, it's a butterfish. Nini, it's a pretty fish, look. Oh, Nini, good job. Good job. It's a beautiful fish. Okay, you hold it here. Yeah. You hold it here. See the camera with you? No, it's okay. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Yeah. Alright. Nini, you got a fish on. Yaya's got a fish on too. Nini, here, you got a fish. Fight it. Fight it, Baba. Here.
I know what to eat it.
Oh, okay, yeah. Let me just, she wants to eat. Okay, let's get your fish in first. And something good just peel. Ooh. Oh. Oh, Nini, that's a good granta. Nini, look, another one. Wait, I'll sort them out in a second. I've got my rod here. Oh, that's a good one.
No.
She's telling the fish to stop moving. Damn. Yes, there we go. Again, bigger. Oh, watch the waves, watch the waves. Watch the waves.
Here, Nini, hold it. Hold here.
Okay, you back in the water. Perfect. Go, Nini.
Okay, quick, before they go away.
Gotta be quick, remember? Fast.
Okay, go.
Alright, Nini, you got a fish. Go reel it, Baba.
Reel him. Go, Nini, quick. Okay, quick, before they go away.
Gotta be quick, remember? Fast.
Go.
Good stuff, Nini. Good job. High five. High five the fish. High five the fish. What you got for lunch? We've only been here 5 minutes and Sis is hungry.
What do you have for your lunch?
What are you eating? What's this?
Strawberry.
Good. What's that? Good job. Ready for the... Tell you what, it's non-stop here, but...
Yeah.
We're just using prawn for bait. Nothing fancy. We just come out for a fun day fishing, taking Sovini joy, and having a great day out. It's always good out fishing. Nini, something's hitting your line. You know, it'd be funny if the biggest fish hit her line.
First. Finish your strawberries first, and you can have the...
There's a few boats out here too today. Tell you what, non-stop. Oh, non-stop these fish. Oh, good head shakes, but oh, tiny. Oh, what's this? Oh, granta. Yeah, they're all too tiny.
Yeah, have your strawberries first.
Oh, 26 at best. Nothing big. But you know when the big ones are around, they're good size.
Eat your strawberries.
Won't be. Ready? Bye. Yeah, sit there. Thank you. Hey? Yeah. Ready? Say yep.
Am I putting that down or just leave it there?
Oh, just hold it. I'm only going up ahead. It's on, look. Oh yeah, it's got a fish. Grace just got a... Oh, brim. That's a good brim. It's a good brim. First brim for today, guys. Whoa.
Yay!
Okay, see? See?
It's a big fish.
You got a fish.
Yeah, it's a big
Good job. Whoa. There you go. Good job, Baba. You touched it. You touched it. First time holding the fish. Nini, you want to throw it back in the water, please? Go on.
Oh.
Throw him.
Oh, no.
Just go like that. Throw. 1, 2, 3, go.
Throw it.
Go on. Good job.
Ew.
It's ew.
Okay.
Alright, let's see if it's recording.
See.
Alright, go on.
Oh, we did fishing.
Reel it. Whoa. What did you... Ooh, what did you get? Okay, okay, enough. Ah, you got a little brim.
Oh my goodness.
Alright, do you want to hold it? Grace is on. I'm also going to be on in a second. Oh, snap.
High five.
High five. Do you want to hold this one?
It's a...
Alright guys, just starting getting good bites. Sovini caught 2 keepers, so I'm just going to fish with a rod for a little bit, just because their bites are going pretty good, like as soon as it hits the water, so always fun when that happens. Give it a minute, eh? Give it a minute. Oh, I'll fish this way.
No, don't put it in the water. That's your school shoes.
Alright, we go on. But it's little. Oh, it's swimming towards me. Yeah, little. Still swimming towards me though. Yeah, we just a couple of these on. Good. Chuck it back in. Guys, watch this straight away, I reckon. Straight away on the drop. I'll give it 10 seconds. Give it 10 seconds. 10, 9. Oh no, it's okay. Thank you. 8. It's all good. 7. It's okay. She's trying to share chips with me. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yo, I got that on camera too. This little brims, nothing crazy, but did it count?
No.
Crazy, guys. Nini and Grace is just having a snack. There we go. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's a keeper for sure. Oh, got a bit of fight in it. Damn. There's a fat brim. There's a fat brim. Can get him in quickly. Oh, please don't break. Yes. Nini, do you want to hold this one? Holy, that's a stonker. Damn.
You know, hold that one.
That's a stonker. Beautiful brim there. Well over legal. Chuck him in the esky. Go again. Go again. It's after this fishing. Cleaning. Yay. Clean the fish, clean the boat, clean yourself. Oh, they've got a good fish on the other boat just over there. Young fella's pulling the throat out of that fish, which is good. Yeah. Oh, that's a good one. Holy. Oh yeah. This one's a keeper for sure. Holy. No, this one's actually probably the biggest one today. Damn. Swimming towards me. Beautiful. Oh, no, actually, it's pretty similar to the other ones. Definitely a keeper. We'll keep him. Chill out, please. Not bad. Yeah, we'll 2:30. Yeah, we'll head back in 30 minutes. Land. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, yep. It's a good one. Thought it was a good one. It's just a little one. Definitely had a run. What's she doing? Bloody brim will just gob it up. Whatever is in there, it's just gonna gob it up. I wasn't gonna record, but this one, buddy, took off. I think this one's a keeper. This one has to be a keeper. Yeah. There we go. Beautiful brim there. Sheesh. What's up, gang? That was a mad day out fishing. We're gonna call it there because sis called it there. She's just sleeping on the floor. Grace had a great day. I had a great day. We just left our spot there. Got some fellas catching barras there. They came with the liveys. We just fished with dead bait. But man, we pulled up on a beautiful spot there, beautiful structure on the ground, and caught heaps of fish. But yeah, that's us for the day. I'm glad to post up another vlog. We haven't done that in ages. Hey, she's tired, I'm tired. We're heading back in now. But thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.